It is an absolutely gloomy Boxing Day. And what better day to do a gloomy POV M5 E60 drive. Let's go. These are always the scariest videos to film because 2 out of my 3 POV driving videos on the channel so far have ended in me getting pulled over. Go check those out if you want. But this one, I got a good feeling we're gonna be fine. Fingers crossed. It's Boxing Day, it's Christmas. Nothing bad happens at Christmas. It's basically just a head mount for the iPhone. This is the iPhone 13. Film in 0.5. Big tip if you're gonna do this, film in 0.5 so you can get a better wide angle. Okay. Oh, we are good to go. It is a wet... Oh, hold on, I'll talk in a sec, one moment. Oh, we're sounding good. Oil is almost warmed up. It's like plus 7 degrees. Usually it's like minus 20 at this point. It's crazy. Okay, we're gonna absolutely launch it here. Oil's warm enough. So my plan is I'm gonna take you guys to the highway. We get a couple pulls, let you listen to the S85 V10. Should be a good time. Am I getting pulled up on right now by a snowplow? Insane. Not gonna happen. I want a louder exhaust. We have an axle back, but I want to get it even crazier. Let's go ahead and hit the M button. Holy shit. See you later. It's so slippery out. Oh my goodness. We are at the highway. Let's hit the M button again and go fast. I'm gonna give this guy a little bit of room here ahead of me, and then we're gonna absolutely rip her. Are we ready? Let's go. Oh, I see a little opportunity here. That M button just opens the exhaust so much, it's insane. It sounds so good. It's got that deep V10 grumble with like the high-pitched scream on top. It's sick. Oh shit. That's a 350. Is he coming? I hope he's coming. Oh, he is. Let's go. Let's go for a little drive. Nah, I don't think so, my friend. That's one of the best feelings in like the car community, I find, is when you're just driving along, you find another car guy and you guys just cruise together. It's sick. Doesn't get better than that. I think we're gonna head this way. A little bit of a last minute turn, but that's no problem. It happens. We're slipping a little bit here too, I can tell. The M5 right now has winter tires on it, which is insane because usually I don't drive this thing in the winter, but if you look around, there's no snow, so I might as well. Oh, V10 under the bridge exhaust. I gotta chill out here though, because I know there's cops up and down this way. We're safe now. We're more responsible than we were in the past years, I'll say. Who is this up in my butthole? No way. Oh my god, it's him. It's the 350 from earlier. That's crazy. I used to want a 350 when I was super into JDM cars at the beginning. That was it. Let's see if this guy's gonna like give us a pull or something. We're both stuck. I'll give him one. He's absolutely ripping her back there too. You'll love to see it. Oh, he's going left. We lost him. Let me just Ooh. That's a loud boy right there. Oh, he's turning. All right. We're back on the highway. M button's back on. Let's go. Slip, slip. Oh, are you kidding me? Well, we're not gonna stick around to find out. Oh, neither. It's a fake M. Sick. I should have known. I'll give him a pull though. Is that a Urus 2 ahead of us? Or do I have Alzheimer's? What day is it? It is slippery out there. With the M button on, which I don't have now, but I'll turn it back on after, it absolutely throws out the back end. This sounds insane. Oh, give me that green. Give me that green. Don't you dare. Don't you dare turn off. Good, good, good. Good enough. Good enough. Let's absolutely send her. This car is insane. 4-door sedan, 507 horsepower. I know I say this every time, but this is a one-of-a-kind car. Who's out here making these cars? 4-door sedan, 507 horsepower, V10, BMW. Fits the whole family, but still rips. See if we can get 1 or 2 more good pulls here. I think we can. Why is nobody in that lane? Am I missing something? Is it ending? Well, I didn't commit. It's too late. All right. Well, everybody brakes. We're gonna do the opposite. All right. Oh, don't you dare. Good. Good, 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 good. What a night. POV Rainy Drive in the M5 E60. 2006. This thing has 240K on it. 240,000 kilometers. How is it still alive? I couldn't tell you, but it's good, man. I'm happy with this car. This has been the best year we've ever had with this car. Minimal repairs, nothing major. Gives us a lot of room for mods and fun stuff next year. I think that's gonna be my next video, is gonna be the 2024 BMW M5 V10 build plan. So you guys can get laid out what to expect with this car. Lots coming, especially in the spring. As soon as that weather's good, we got the snow tires back on. New wheels should be here in like 3 days. I forgot about that. Actually, that's gonna be the next video. So much to do. Another day, another successful POV drive with no cops. That's exactly how we want those to end. A lot of fun. Car was a little slimy in those corners, as I'm sure you saw. That's all the fun of it. Again, 507 horsepower, rear wheel drive. This thing is supposed to be sliding out in corners. It's kind of nuts. Super fun car though. Can't get enough of it. Can you guys even see what I'm saying? With that being said, guys, I hope you had an awesome Christmas. Appreciate you. Hope things are good with you. The new wheels, the Apex wheels for the M5 that I've been teasing forever because they've been on back order, are going to be here in 3 days. What's today, the 26th? Yeah, they're going to be here Friday the 29th of December. Huge reveal on those wheels coming. It's going to absolutely transform this car. And then build plan 2024, everything coming to the car, wrap, new mods, performance, wheels, all that good stuff is coming. So tons to look forward to. But for now, keep checking out the POV driving videos. I'm going to start a playlist, I think, because I've got like 4 or 5 at this point. So you can check them all out right there. I'll link it right here. And with that, guys, make sure you like and sub if you like what you saw. If you want to follow the build of the M5, all that good stuff. Follow me on Insta as well. Always posting behind the scenes, stuff you don't see on the channel there every single day. So lastly, if you want to grab yourself some car merch, I know Christmas just ended. We got that Christmas good. Go check out apparelbyenemy.com. Link is down in the description. 15% off when you sign up by email. Get yourself some car culture, clothing, posters, keychains. We've got jet tags. This is the one I'm rocking right now. It's the Demon Slayer one. This one's pretty sick. Tanjiro. Tons more. Got Dragon Ball Z, a bunch of other animes on there. Super cool stuff. Go check that out. And with that, guys, love you so much. I've been rambling way too long, so I'm going to catch you in the next video. You guys are the best. My name's Chris. Bye.